Hey everybody, it's Bruce here, and we're going to be talking about classes in JavaScript this week. And I wanted to show you an example file that I always use kind of with classes. And this is kind of a deck of cards, right? 52 cards. And when this deck of cards is displayed here, all the backs of the cards are showing. And when you click on a card or click on it again, right, it shows the card, right? And then there's functionality here like show card faces, which flips them all over, show card backs, create a new deck. Let's see, I'm going to just flip a couple cards here and then say remove a card. And you can see it's removing the first card in the deck here. And then if I just click around here, let me just show you this. And then I click on shuffle, right? It shuffles the deck and those same cards are moved around. So this card deck of card objects that know when I click on each one, right? And know whether the back of the card is showing or the face of the card. This was built with a single class, and the class has a constructor method that gets called when a new card is constructed or created and then pushed onto our deck. And let me just show you this. Check this out. If I go to inspect and I go here on the right, you can see here is the card deck, and inside of this container, right, you can see I have all these images, right, with each card, and you can see them highlighted in the on the left there as I go through them. And notice the ID of each card is kind of the actual image name. So I just decided to use that as a unique ID for each of the cards. And check this out, right? Here is here is that first card, right? So let me just show you right here. If I inspect it, right, there it is. And watch what happens when I click it. So when I click it, notice how it changes the source, right? See? It keeps changing the source back and forth. And when I remove that card, this is the 10 of spades, right? And I say remove a card, right? Notice it gets removed, right, from the DOM, right? So we're gonna introduce classes this week. You're also gonna extend this deck of cards for a lab, and then you're gonna meet the final lab. Well, this is one lab for week 6. Week 7, this is a week 7 lab, and then the last lab is gonna be something using an API again, and kind of something like this where you're going to be using objects, but I'll save that for class on Monday. Thanks for watching, and get ready to get your JavaScript on. Have a good day, and see you on Zoom on Monday at the normal time.